Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Milo Zondi and I have been painting almost 10 years now. In this short video, I'll talk about my journey, background as an artist, this alla prima painting, and why I paint upside down, and some general thoughts and tips about painting and drawing that would be based on my experience and could help beginners and someone who struggle with painting. So stay tuned and enjoy watching this video. It was 10 years ago I got interested in painting, especially traditional painting and drawing technique, and really wanted to learn how to paint. I got some art materials from a friend and basically I started just painting right away. It was fun and felt really good to be creative. At the same time, it was really hard because I didn't have any experience. I didn't know the technique and it was really difficult to handle oil paint. After a while and after recommendation and asking around, I finally found a school in Sweden, Florence Academy of Art, and in 2014 I started over there and it was 3 years long, and I basically started from scratch, and it was really helpful for me because I didn't have any background as a painter and really couldn't draw anything. The school was really tough though. One single drawing could take 4 or 5 weeks, and the first year we didn't touch paint at all. I believe in the end of first year we paint with black and white, so we had to learn first how to draw, then how to paint with just black and white. So that was very short about my background, and now I want to talk about some tips and ideas about painting. Number one would be find a system that works. It has been proven before, people have learned from it, and just follow the steps. It can be a school, an artist, or online courses. Number two, drawing skills. You need to learn how to draw before paint, and a portrait painting is so much about how good your drawing is. And for that I would suggest just someone who is really good at drawing and have courses. What I did in school, I did a lot of copy of Charles Barg drawing course. Simple, explained how to approach a drawing, but takes time to learn the technique. So I suggest if you just Google Charles Barg, you can find images of how it looked like. So if you are good at drawing, number three for you would be values before colors. So values are basically darkness and lightness, but you need to learn about them, mix with just black and white, maybe add rumber just for warmness, and that's it. You don't need any more fancy pigments on your palettes. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest you paint at least 10 portraits with black and white, and you can master copy other painters. That's a lot easier to see how they solved all these range of values and the shapes. In any stage you are right now, I will recommend, if you have done some portraits, bring them to someone who is good, a professional artist, and get a honest critique and feedback so you are in the right side of your journey. Now, if you are good at drawing and understanding the values, how to use values, tips number 4 would be learn how to mix colors. What I suggest here, especially if you are a beginner, keep it really simple, use limited palette, and experiment with those colors in the beginning. On my palette I have black and white and red and yellow. I mix black and yellow for greenish tones, mixing black and white for blue and gray tones, and add sometimes blue and other colors when I paint landscape or still life. To keep it really simple, just start with primary colors, red, yellow and blue. Mix those colors to create secondary colors. A powerful tool for this can be using a color wheel. It helps you to understand relationships between the colors and do a lot of experiment mixing different shades and tones of each colors. And you can also add black and white or a gray to each color. And now if you come back to my alla prima portrait in this video, why I paint upside down. Have you ever heard about, or someone tell you, paint what you see, not what you know? This is basically what I'm doing here. I paint upside down because I don't want to get distracted by the details in the eyes or other areas of the face, and see, for example, the eyes as the shapes, not an eye. And sometimes it's funny because the shapes can look like small animals or other stuffs that you can see, and really good exercise to ignore there is an eye, just see it as a shape. Squinting or use a black mirror would help you to not get distracted by small details in the face, and even can help you with the value groups, so not break it down the shapes too early. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, this kind of painting process, just comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you already haven't. I really appreciate your support and wish you good luck with your painting. See you in the next one.